What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Vast Sky Media. It's your boy Kyle. I'm here with the co-pilot Jax. Today we're coming to you live from Museum Row on the Miracle Mile in Los Angeles, California, USA, with what could be our final look at the Geffen Galleries at Lacma. Been a couple weeks and we're expecting all of the loose ends to be tied up on this build. Lacma members will have early access to view the gallery and the grounds in its entirety starting in just about a week's time, running all the way through early May. I believe that first weekend is whenever it's going to be open to the public. You better believe we're going to be there on the ground, vlogging it. I think it's going to be a head turner, probably turn some doubters into believers with a lot of folks that weren't too stoked on the project. I think it might reverse some of those opinions, but we're never going to know until we get in there. In other news, we won't be gone from this site for very long. It's been announced that part of a beautification project for the 2028 Olympics in Los Angeles, that both the Getty and the La Brea tar pits will be seeing some upgrades. So hopefully we're going to have something really cool to look at. The old tar pit museum. We've already been there before for a previous episode and give a lot of folks a peek at what it's all about. On that note, it is peanuttier time for the co-pilot. You love yourself the tar pits, don't you, bud? I know. I believe you. If you like what we're doing, if you want to help support the channel, buy me a coffee, link in the description below. Give us a sub if you haven't already. Thumbs up the videos. Comment on the videos for better or for worse. All that goes a long ways to keeping us on the road, bringing y'all that quality content. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on up there. Show you guys what's going down. Peace.